think I could do pretty well in an office environment. I'm a fun guy. Hey, coffee pot, don't talk to me until I've had my coffee, right? Hey, Balloon, you seem a little spacey. What do you got? A case of the Mondays? Guy's full of hot air. Am I right? Am I right? Am I? Somebody talk to me. Tell me Oh, Nickelwise. Oh, perfect. Just when I needed someone to clown around with. Come on, man, say something. React! Can't you hear me? You guys think I'm funny, right?
Of course! You're one of my funniest brothers. Easily top 2.
Same for me.